Let's talk about Mirostone. Mirostone is a polyester solid surface. So the difference between this and the acrylic solid surface is that you cannot thermoform or shape it. So it's more appropriate to use it in places like kitchen worktops, student accommodation, that kind of thing. It's a non-porous material like all the others, so therefore germs can't live on it. It's easy to keep clean and maintain. Let's start again. My tongue feels like it's tripping over itself on this one. Okay, let's talk about Mirostone. Mirostone is a polyester solid surface. So the difference between this and an acrylic solid surface is that you can't thermoform or shape it. So where it comes into its own is if you have kitchen worktops in high-end residential, or you want to use it for student accommodation or that kind of thing. You can seam it together so you can't see the join lines. It's non-porous, so that you can't have any germs or nasties won't live on it, and it's very easy to keep clean and maintain. So if you want to learn more about Mirostone and the colours that are available, take a look at the colour selector. All the information is there, or maybe download our brochure, give us a call, send us an email. We'd love to talk to you about the projects that you have that might contain Mirostone or have Mirostone as an option.